Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to create a Mailchimp free account. So let's start. First of all, go to Chrome and search for Mailchimp. After that, click the first option. In the nav bar, you can see right corner sign up, click it. After that, scroll down. You can see all the plans and prices. We want the free version, so click sign up. So it will redirect you to this form. Make sure to fill your form, or you can log in using your Google credentials. Now go to login and just log in with your account that you just created. Make sure to fill the required fields like the first name, last name, and business name. You can leave the phone number blank as it's not required and then click next. Make sure to put your address line. After that, fill the other required fields and click next. Select what best describes your organization, either e-commerce, physical retail, professional services, consumer services, media, or social services. I'm gonna select e-commerce and physical retail. Scroll down and click next. You can skip it, by the way. What's your top goal with Mailchimp? You can skip these questions as it's not required. Scroll down and skip this too. It's telling you to import your website URL. If you don't have a website URL, just select skip. And here you have to confirm your industry. Just select the drop down menu and choose the best match. Click confirm. If you don't have any one of these can apply to your organization, select none of these apply. You have to precise how many email contacts do you have. You can skip it and here scroll down, select continue free. As you can see, the account is preparing and your Mailchimp account has been created successfully. You can now manage the campaigns, the automations, the audience, and you have access to analytics, website, even you can integrate with third-party applications. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.